Alright, so this one, you said this one keeps running? Oh yeah, the gasket, I can see it's all, I can see the gasket, it's already, let me just check the gasket out. I have them gaskets, very simple fix. See all the rubber on the bottom of that thing? Needs a gasket.
You want me to?
Wow.
You want me to get the one I had?
No, it's not the same.
Oh.
Here's the part you need right there. See it?
Yep.
It's just a gasket. It's not rocket science. I just gotta put a new gasket in there.
I need a woozy jig. That's what I need.
Huh?
The rubber one. Do you have rubber?
I don't have the rubber ones. I just do the regular wax. What, does it leak downstairs?
No, but it moves.
Well, I could just try tightening it. Let me try tightening it. Let me put a new gasket in this thing for you first. Okay?
Yeah.
And then we'll get it back together and we'll try it. And I'll tighten up. I'll get my tools. We'll tighten that to the floor. And we'll see what happens. How's that sound?
Okay.
This thing is definitely smoked. Look at the gasket. It's supposed to be flat.
Okay.
Terrible. I got one in the truck. I should have the Mansfield right here. There's the Mansfield. There's one style Mansfield. And here's the other style. Just a ring. Oh, it is. There's the other style Mansfield for the candlestick. Not rocket science. The difference in the gaskets.
What?
See how this one's flat?
Yep.
And then that one's not. That's got to go down inside there, and a little ring in there. There's a little groove it's got to fit in, and then we'll be good. It fits right in there. There's a little groove there. That's it. This just falls back in place like that. And this tightens up on here, and you're good to go. We'll just tighten the toilet up to the floor. That should work. That's just loose. We can tighten that up. Turn it on and crazy, huh? Look how bad that thing is. That's super bad. Wow. I mean, this thing's really flipping loose as a goose, huh? It's really loose.
Well, it was loose when I moved here. I'm saying, something's not right with the store.
Something's not right with that, for sure.
I never had a toilet that moved like that.
What might have happened was, yeah, it's the whack, the flange must be broken. We're gonna have to pull it. You want it fixed?
May as well.
Yeah, because these bolts are just, they're not even attached. Yeah, look at that. I pulled them right out. I pulled it right out.
There you go.
It's steel. Wow. It right off. I don't know if we can hold that one or not. That thing broke. That steel, they broke right off. Wow. That's a mess. Crazy. Might have to grind that one off. Probably gonna have to grind that with my grinder to get it off of there. Steel. Not good. Alright. Should come off now, hopefully. Just a flippin' shit show. Crazy. Don't want to break the toilet, right? I don't want to break the toilet. Whatever's under there, I don't know, but it's not looking good.
You got the right tools.
I got the right tools, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't know what's going on with that flange, but it's not looking good. Can't leave it like that, right? Floating it. You got a little like
Oh, just use this. No.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Just throw this out, when you're done.
All right.
Yeah.
It's good to.
So, your dog is a girl or a boy?
A female.
A female?
Yeah, it's a little girl, little female.
She goes to work with you every day?
Most of the time,
Yeah.
yeah. I try to bring her to work with me. Sometimes she wants to stay home. Sometimes she likes to play catch me if you can. She wants me to chase her.
Yeah.
And, yeah, the flange is broken, but I could probably put a spanner flange on this side. This side's still okay. We can fix it.
Okay.
Hopefully. That's good news, right?
Yeah, I'm already like.
This side will be okay.
I can feel the tension out of my body.
Really?
Yeah.
Why is that?
Well,
you got any toilet paper? Let me see the toilet paper.
I worry about everything.
You're worried about stuff, yeah.
Yeah,
Well, this has to be fixed. You can't let this go, because then there'd be a problem.
Yeah.
So let me get what I need out of the truck, and we'll fix
and I'll
it.
let you go. If they need anything to clean around there.
Yeah, if you're getting some, you got some Fantastic or some kind of spray.
Like Tylex?
Yeah, perfect.
Okay.
Let that sit, and then when I get back, I could scrub it. And this way here we go. Do house cleaning at the same time, right?
Yeah, I'll hire you.
Those screws in there, but I gotta get them out. And 2 screws I gotta get out of there.
Unknown caller.
I don't know if I can get them screws out of there. No, I don't think so. Oh, great. Not easy. That might want to come out of there. One there. I'm gonna get one on the other side. I'd like to get that in there, but I don't know. It ain't wanting to move. Looks like I'm gonna have to cut that there. The bolt, and this one should go. Just gotta cut this one. It's gonna work. That's what they call a spanner flange. Boy, that thing went in there. Went in there, but man, it went in hard. It's in. Son of a bitch. It went in. It went in. I'll put a wax. Well, I'm softening up the wax in the hot water. Man, what a flipping job. What a flipping job that was. Put the wax in the hot water. We'll soften it up. It's cold truck. Alright, I'll put the wax in the hot water. Soften it up. That's what they call a jumbo. It'll be fine. I wonder where the white part is. I don't see him. The bottom.
Going good.
Yeah, I got that spanner flange in there. It's gonna work now. Thank God. What a pain in the ass.
Yeah.
I was able to get the spanner flange on it, so it's gonna be okay.
You got the
I got two good bolts in there with a spanner flange on this side. The spanner flange is a piece of metal, and it goes under the flange because the flange lip was broken. So the flange lip was broken. I couldn't put the bolts in, so I put what they call a spanner flange. It slides underneath with a bolt.
Okay.
So now once I tighten these two up, everything's going to be nice and tight.
And it's got the ring?
It's not going to loop. It's not going to be loose, or it's not going to move.
Oh, okay.
That's the secret, right? That's the key.
And it won't leak, right?
It ain't going to leak.
Okay.
Because before I leave, I'm going to make sure it don't leak.
Okay. Oh, no, I'm just saying, without that ring, what's the ring for?
I fixed it, ma'am.
I
put a repair in there. They call it a spanner flange. It's made to fix a broken flange.
Oh, okay.
It's designed. It's designed to do that.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. I don't.
You're in good hands here.
I know. I ask questions to learn.
Right.
I already gave you a good review.
Already?
On Facebook and on Nextdoor.
Okay. Appreciate that.
Yeah.
Especially with a toilet. It can't be leaking. It's gotta be right. Now, once we bolt this thing down, it ain't gonna move. Before you were doing the funky chicken on here, right?
Yeah.
Oh, it's so funny.
You.
Oh, moving around and everything, you know. It's what I call the
have to
funky
move
chicken.
Forward,
Yeah.
you know, backwards and.
It's like the chicken dance, you know.
Yeah, it was like.
You ever do that at the weddings, the chicken
yeah.
dance?
That's the only toilet that did it, you know.
Seeing the gasket, I mean, that thing was really bad. Now, how about the other toilets? Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
You only had one good toilet out of 3.
yeah. Off from it, and you know, he was a gentle kid, so you know, but I never used that bathroom, so it's not like it's a daily, you know, thing. But I use the one downstairs a lot, so I don't have to come all the way up here, right?
Look at that, nice and tight. Don't even move. Yeah. Hallelujah is right, huh?
Yeah, there is a God, huh?
You got any more toilet paper?
Yeah, right in the top there, right there. See it in the holder? Sorry. Otherwise it's behind the door
I ran
here.
out.
Huh?
I ran out of the other one.
I have a toilet back. Two toilets.
It's not moving now.
What?
It's not moving now.
They got checks. Like, you know, I went
Alright,
to
so that
the-
thing shut off the way it's supposed to, and it's not loose.
Yep.
It's not leaking.
Absolutely fantastic.
Alright?
Yep.
You just have to put the cover on it. Don't leak. It's not going to leak because I put a nice wax on there and it's all bolted down, so. Alright, we just got to put the cover on it. Once you break that, you're screwed. Alright, so that's that. That's my thing for my light. That's for my light. Okay.